In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook notifications not showing preview. If your Outlook notifications are appearing without any message preview, or if you're not getting the kind of alert details you expect, don't worry. This is usually a simple settings issue, and you can fix it in just a moment by adjusting your notification preferences directly inside Outlook. To get started, go ahead and open Outlook. Make sure you're signed in and fully inside your mailbox, so you can access the settings menu without any interruption. Once Outlook is open, look toward the top area of the screen and find the gear icon. This is the settings button, and it's where Outlook keeps many of the options that control how the app behaves, including notifications. Click the gear icon to open the settings panel. When the panel appears, look for the General section. Select General, and then click Notifications. This area is where Outlook lets you manage how alerts appear and what kind of information they show. Inside Notifications, the first thing you want to do is make sure notifications are turned on. If the notification option is currently disabled, toggle it on. This allows Outlook to send alerts when new emails or updates come in. If this setting is off, you may miss notifications entirely, or they may not display properly. You should also enable the additional toggle available in this section. This extra notification setting is important because it can control whether more information is shown in the alert, such as a preview of the message content. Turning it on helps make your notifications more useful, especially if you want to quickly see what an incoming email is about without opening Outlook every time. After enabling both toggles, give Outlook a moment to apply the changes. In many cases, the fix starts working right away. If you still don't see preview information in your notifications, it can help to close and reopen Outlook so the new settings refresh properly. This is a quick setting to overlook, but it often solves the problem fast. Just remember, open Outlook, click the gear icon, go to General, then Notifications, and make sure both notification-related toggles are switched on. And that's it. Once these settings are enabled, Outlook notifications should be more informative and should show previews the way you expect.